Good morning, YouTube. It is another hot, humid ass morning. And in the CSRA of Georgia. I'm fixing to do that deal on my truck. I'm gonna change my oil. I stopped at Sam's a while ago. Got my oil. 74. I think it was $74 for a case. Damn, it's getting fucking hot. $74 a case. Six 1-gallon jugs in each case. Pick me up a jug of Lucas. So I'm gonna do that. I already got an oil filter. Just been riding around in here for about a month or two. Boy, I got to drag all this fucking shit out. So, alright, the last time I got my oil changed from the Loves down in Fort Pierce, Florida, I think it's like $530 something. But that's the time that I got fucked with that new drain plug. I got fucked with that new drain plug. I didn't realize when I told the girl to go ahead and throw a new one in that it was gonna be $113 fucking dollars. Yeah, see, here's my oil filter. Big old Napa Gold. Napa Gold. Yeah, there's my oil filter. So technically, I'm about $400, $420 or so into a basic oil change. Now, I changed both of my fuel filters last week at the Loves down in Fort Pierce, sitting there with my thumb up my ass. I greased the truck, so that's already took care of. I think I had $32 or either $35 in those two fuel filters. That oil from Sam's a while ago, $74 a case. I got 2 cases, so that's about what? About $150, $160 with taxes. And I want to say I gave $50 or so for that oil filter a month or 2 ago. So I'm already saving close to $200 and my time. I mean, but fuck it, that's fine. Plus I got 6 shocks to put on today. I'm replacing all my shocks because I got my truck back yesterday. Got a new U-joint right there. New U-joint. A 3-axle alignment. And all this shit is new. The shackle holders, shackle pins, shackle bushings, 2 new U-bolts, my new cab mounts. New shackle pins, new shackle bushings, new shackle holders, new cab mounts. Let's see, new U-bolts. All that shit's new cab mounts. And that shit was $3,700. I think it was $3,770 something. But it is what it is, man. It's trucking, you know. Now I'm gonna, like I say, drain the oil and change all my shocks. I got a feeling that's what's gonna be a bitch. Is getting these damn bolts broke loose. But we'll see. We will see. We'll be back, you little cats and kittens. Yeah. I got 2 of my bottom bolts broke loose on my 2 rear shocks. Trying to multitask here. Now I've got the damn the oil filter broke loose. I'm gonna let it drain a little bit while I go mess with them rear shocks some more. Trying to multitask here. Multitask, come on. Woo, that motherfucker's hot. Alright. Got that oil filter broke loose now. Trying to do some multitasking is what we're doing. That's how we roll, man. Saving them labor rates. I don't know if y'all have ever worked on changing your shocks, but I'm here to tell you, them motherfuckers can be sure enough aggravating. That bottom bolt ain't no big deal at all to break loose. But when you go to doing them damn top ones, when you go to doing these fucking top bolts or top nuts on these shocks here, the fucking the top of the damn shock's gonna want to turn every time you turn the fucking nut, and boy, it can make for a real pain in the dick. A real pain in the dick. I got them all loose though. I got them all loose. Oh man, what a fucking deal. I bet I spent 45 minutes fucking with them top nuts. Hey, it is what it is, right? It's Trucking 101. Yes, Trucking 101. I'll tell you what's the truth. If I knew, oh boy, I hope I don't get cream pied in the face with this fucking oil. Get my fat head out of the way a little bit here. Woo, that should be If I knew that I could catch me a damn nap down here, I believe I'd try to get me a nap. Ain't no lie. It's kind of cool up under here. Nice and cool up under here. And it don't really smell like piss because, well, of course, where I'm parked at is actually a few feet forward, you know, than everybody parks, because I dropped my trailer. I could almost get me a nap. Got my oil filter on. As you see, I'm draining my oil. I still got to get them motherfucking shocks off yet. I ain't got them shocks off. I think the worst is over though, I think. Because like I told y'all a while ago, them damn 2 bolts, the 2 nuts up on top of them shocks, them in my opinion is the fucking worst to deal with. Because as you're loosening them bitches, that top part of that shock is wanting to turn. It makes for a real pain in the fucking ass. I'm gonna let this drip a little bit. I'm gonna let this drip a little bit while I catch me a bottle of water. Well, got all my oil drained out. Put the plug back in. I'm gonna fill her up now. And fill her up and check the oil pressure. And then finish with these fucking shocks. Big news, motherfuckers! Big news, she's a coming. She's a coming. Damn, I got a fat fucking head when I'm laying down on my side. Kind of look like a little guy without the beard. Yeah, man! Yeah, man! Yeah, man! This motherfucker has been coming to me for over 3 years. Over 3 fucking years. Let's get him on tape. What's up, man? What's going on?
You got a mallet.
A mallet? What you mean I got a mallet?
Do you got a rubber hammer?
I got that.
Oh no.
You good? He must have remembered me. Do I got a rubber mallet? He's seen me 3 other times. He's seen me 3 other times throughout the course of about 2 years. And every 3 times he's seen me over the last 2 years, he's told me some bullshit story about how he's a damn, he's a veteran trying to get back to Wilmington, North Carolina. Now the first time that happened was Christmas week of 2018, I believe. And then there's been 2 other times since then. And the last time I told him, I said, dude, you must not remember me. I said, I live around here. I live around here. So I said, you need to remember your stories, dude. Change your fucking stories up a little bit. Maybe he remembered me. I don't know. I've never heard the mallet fucking story. And boy, do I got a goddamn problem. Look at here. Trying to get this bolt off of this top bolt. The motherfucking bolt sheared off. What a fucking deal! What a fucking deal! Alright, we out of here. It's fucking hot. I'm gonna have to get this part off and call around and see who's got this fucking part that I need now. Y'all be easy, be cool, be smart. We out of here.